Hi everyone, today we will learn about how to send photos on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Now write Facebook and now log into your account. Now here you will see the first option that will say what's on your mind. You can use this either to upload your photos and long videos. Now just click on your profile. Here you will see that the same thing is also here. So just click on what's your mind. Now just select photos and you can upload any pic or either a video. Just now just click on post and the photo has been posted to your account. You can also see your photos and long videos by just scrolling down. So that was the quick tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.